So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to differentiate using the quotient rule. So if you have two functions given here, ux and vx are two functions. So, and function is given in quotient form. So ux over vx, this way the question will be. And you have to differentiate this type of function. So here is the first question here, fx equal to given that 2x minus 3 over x square minus 4, which is in the form of quotient, as ux over vx is given. The formula of quotient rule says that this is the function fx and we are going to differentiate using quotient rule. So we will write f prime of x, and formula is, as this is our u, this is our u and this is our v. So formula is v multiplied by differentiation of u, which is du over dx, minus u differentiation of dv over dx. So differentiation of v function, which is this one, the denominator, and all over v square. So this is the formula of quotient rule, and we will use this quotient rule to differentiate this one. So we just uh, took it 2x minus 3u, which is numerator. So write down here u is equal to 2x minus 3, and find out du over dx. Du over dx means we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiation of 2x is 2, and this is the constant term. So differentiation of constant term will be 0. So no need to write it 0 here. Now we will differentiate v. So v equal to given x square minus 4. So dv over dx is equal to differentiate x square, which is 2x, and differentiation of constant term. This term has no x or y here. So we want the differentiation will be 0. So no need to write it. Now we have du over dx, dv over dx. Now let's subbing in the formula. So what is the formula? Write down here formula. F prime of x equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx all over v square. Let's go here. So v is x square minus 4. Write down x square minus 4. And then we have du over dx. Du over dx is 2. So inside the bracket, write down 2. Then minus, we have u here in the formula. So u is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. And then dv over dx. So dv over dx is 2x all over x square minus v square. V is x square minus 4. So write down x square minus 4 whole square equal to, now we will multiply it, open the bracket. So 2 will be multiplied by x square, which is 2x square, minus this minus sign I will have to give, and then 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8, then minus here. So keep it inside the bracket, do it inside the bracket first, all the multiplication thing, and then we will open the bracket. So inside the bracket, this 2x will multiply by this 2x, which will give me 4x square, and then minus 3 multiplied by 2x, so minus 6x. Close the bracket, and over x square minus 4 whole square. Now we will write down here. Now we have f, therefore we are going to have f prime of x, which is differentiation of fx, 2x square minus 8, and then open the bracket here, minus 4x square minus minus, which will be plus 6x all over x square minus 4 whole square equal to, like term, see the like term, if we can add and subtract 2x square, I can see the like term 2x square minus 4x square, which will give me minus 2x square, then plus 6x, and then minus 8 over x square minus 4 whole square. So this is the differentiation of this function fx using quotient rule. So this is easy question I took. Now next question, I'm going to take this one. So evaluate the question is evaluate the derivative of the following function at x equal to 1. So what we need two things here. We need to derive the function first. It means differentiate the function first, and in differentiated function sub in x equal to 1 and find the value. It means evaluate. So the function is 2x plus 5 x minus 1 over multiplied by x minus 1 over x plus 3. So as you can see, we can take this as u and v, but u is the function. This there is two term which is multiplied by. So we need to first multiply here. So write down here gx equal to this, multiply by, write down 2x and then multiply by x minus 1. We are not going to differentiate now unless we have one function here. Here we have two function which is multiply by, multiplication of two function here. So here it will be plus 5 and then we have to multiply by x minus 1. So let's take the here x minus 2 over x plus 3 equal to, multiply and open the bracket. So this 2x will multiply by x, which will be 2x square. Then 2x multiplied by minus 1, which will be minus 2x. Then plus 5 multiplied by x is, here is x minus 2 is there. So 2x multiplied by 2 will be 4x. Then plus 5x and minus 10 over x plus 3. And change anything if they are like term or not. So we have to add and subtract. This is going to be your function gx. So 2x square, no x square term is there. So write down 2x square. Then minus 4x plus 5x like term is there. So it will give me plus 1x. You can write it down only x. And then minus 10 over x plus 3. Now we have this function gx and we will differentiate using the quotient rule. Now let's take it this one, the numerator, I'm going to take this as u and this one as v. So write down here u is equal to 2x square plus x minus 10 and find out du over dx. Because we are going to use quotient rule, we need du over dx there. Du over dx is 4x and plus, this is the differentiation of 2x square, which will be 4x, and plus differentiation of plus 1x will be 1, and this is constant term, so this will be 0. Now write down v, we need dv over dx, v is x plus 1. Find out, differentiate v with respect to x, which is dv over dx equal to 1. Now we have du over dx and dv over dx, and write down the, differentiate this function, but I'm going to write down the formula first. So g prime of x equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v square. This is your formula. And now we need to write down, sub in everything here. So we have v is x plus 3 and du over dx is 4x plus 1 Then we have minus sign, minus u is this one. So 2x square plus x minus 10 and dv over dx we have 1 here, and then all over v square. So v is x plus 3 whole square. Now here multiply it out because there are two terms, x plus 3 multiplied by 4x plus 1. So first write down this x and multiply by 4x plus 1, and then write down plus 3, this one, and multiply by 4x plus 1 minus, here anything multiplied by 1 is itself this one. So keep it in the bracket, 2x square plus x minus 10 all over x plus 3 whole square. Now we will write down here, multiply it out and open the bracket here. So x multiplied by 4x, which is going to be 4x square, plus x multiplied by 1, which is x, plus 3 multiplied by 4x, so which is 12x, plus 3 multiplied by plus 1, which is plus 3, and then multiply by minus sign and open the bracket. So this will be minus 2x square, and then minus plus minus x, and then minus minus plus 10. And all over x plus 3 whole square. Now see the like terms and add and subtract. So we can see 4x square minus 2x square. So 4x square minus 2x square will be 2x square. Now see the x term. Can you see the x term? So x is there, 12x is there, minus x is there. So plus x minus x, first let's cancel this one. And then we have plus 12x. So write down here plus 12x, plus 12x. And then we have plus 3 plus 10, which is going to be plus 13, all over x plus 3 whole square. This is your g prime of x. But remember the question here. So we have to evaluate the derivative function at x equal to 1. So see the question. I'll show you the question here. At x equal to 1. So we differentiated the function and now we will sub in x equal to 1 here in the differentiated function. So write down g prime and we are going to differentiate 1 in place of x. So write down 1 here and in place of x just substitute by 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 square plus 12 multiplied by 1 plus 13 over 1 plus 3 whole square. So 2 multiplied by 1 square is 1 plus 12 multiplied by 12. 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 plus 13 over 4 whole square. It is 2 plus 12 plus 13 over 16. So now you have g prime of 1 equal to, this is going to be 27 over 16. This is your answer. Now let's take one more question based on quotient rule. So we have to evaluate the derivative of the following function at t equal to 0. Now your function is f of t. So we have to differentiate this function with respect to t. As quotient rule, we can take this u and this will v. So write down what is u here. U equal to, we have 3t square plus 4t plus 2 whole to the power 7. And we have to differentiate this function with respect to t because variable is t, not x. So du over dt equal to, now here we will use the chain rule because whole to the power 7. So remember, if u equal to x to the power 3 will come here. So du over dx is 3x square. So same way we will differentiate, 7 will come over here. So 7 and all of this to the power square means anything power we will subtract 1. So 3t square plus 4t plus 2 to the power 7 minus 1, which will be 6. So we will write it on the next step. Then we will use the chain rule. We didn't finish the differentiating this function. We only did this term. Now we have to differentiate whatever inside the bracket. So differentiate this one, differentiation of 3t square, 2 will come over here. So this will be 6t plus differentiation of 4t will be 4. So what is your du over dt? It is 7. 3t square plus 4t plus 2, 2 to the power 7 minus 1 is 6, and multiplied by 6t plus 4. This is your du over dt. Okay. Now one more step you can go. You can write multiply this and by this, because here we can't say do anything, power is there. So one more step I can go, 7 multiplied by 6t plus 4 and multiply by 3t square plus 4t, leave it like this one, and here multiply it. So this will be 42t plus 28 multiply by 3t square plus 4t plus 2, 2 to the power 6. Now this is your du over dt. Now we need to find out dv over dt as well. In the quotient rule we need this. So let's take v equal to x plus 9, and what is dv over dt? Sorry, here it will be t because our function is in t. So dv over dt is only 1. So differentiation of t is 1. This is constant term, so this will be 0. So this is your dv over dt, and this is your du over dt. So this is du over dt. Now we will sub in the formula here using quotient rule. F prime of t equal to, write down the formula first. So formula is v du over dt minus u dv over dt all over v square, and we will sub in everything here. So what is v here? V is t plus 9. So t plus 9 is the v, and du over dt is this one, this whole thing. So write down here 42 plus 42t plus 28 multiply by 3t square plus 4t plus 2 all over 6 minus we have u. U is this one, 3t square. So inside the bracket write down 3t square plus 4t plus 2, 2 to the power 7, and then dv over dt. dv over dt is multiply by 1 and all over v square. So v is t plus 9 whole square. So we sub in everything here. Now let's go to the next step here. So here we can see here. So this is first term in the multiplication form here. Can you see here? First this till here, and here 3t square plus 4t plus 2 to the power 6 and minus 3t square plus 4t plus 2 to the power 7. So we will make little bit simple our calculation. So from here I can take 3t square plus 4t plus 2, 2 to the power 6 common, and keep everything inside the bracket. Now this one goes out. Now whatever left here, t plus 9 multiply by 42 plus 28, and then minus 6 times goes out. We took 6 times out. Now we have 3t square plus 4t plus 2, 2 to the power 1. You can write it down or not, it doesn't matter. All over t plus 9 whole square. Now write down here. Next step is 3t square plus 4t plus 2, 2 to the power 6. And here you can multiply it out first inside the bracket. write down this t, and we are going to multiply by 42. Here I left it t, 42t plus 28, and then plus 9 multiply by 42t plus 28, and then minus we have 3t square. We can open the bracket here, so minus 3t square minus 4t minus 2, and close the bracket. T plus 9 whole square. Now next step is 3t square plus 4t plus 2 whole to the power 6, and then multiply and open the bracket. So here we will have 42t square plus 28t plus 9 multiplied by 42 will give me 378t plus 9 multiplied by 28 is 252 minus 3t square minus 4t minus 2, close the bracket, and all over t plus 9 whole square. So this is our f prime of t we are finding here. So 3t square plus 4t plus 2 whole to the power 6, and then see the like term, t square is there, 42t square minus 3t square, so we have here 39t square. Then see 28t plus 378t minus 4t, if you calculate it you will get plus 402t, and then we have only 252 and minus 2, so we will get 250 here, all over t plus 9 whole square. Now we have f prime of t. If you remember the question, we have the question is evaluate the derivative of the following function at t is equal to 0. Now we have to sub in t equal to 0 in the differentiated function. So f prime of, in place of t will be 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 whole square plus 4 multiplied by 0 plus 2 whole to the power 6, and then here 39 multiplied by 0 square plus 402 multiplied by 0 plus 250 all over 0 plus 9 whole square. Now what we are getting here, f prime of 0 is, here 0 multiplied 0 square multiplied by 3 will be 0, plus 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, then 2 all to the power 6, and then this is 0 minus 0 plus 250 all over, this is 0 plus 9 is 9 whole square. F prime of 0 will be, this is 2, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2 whole to the power 6, and here 0 plus 0 plus 250 will be 250 all over 9 square is 81. Now f prime of 0 is going to be 2 to the power 6 will be 64 multiplied by 250 all over 81, and finally therefore f prime of 0 will be 64 multiplied by 250 will give you 16000 over 81. This is your answer.